How to create temporary email in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to create temporary email on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. After that, here you can find the search bar at the top. Select it. Then simply type @tempmail_org and _bot, just like this. Then simply tap on it just right here. Then here you can find start. Now start it. Now here you can find your temporary email address for Telegram. You can now use that email to sign up for websites or receive verification emails. Incoming emails will appear directly in the chat with the bot. And that's it. This is how you can create temporary email in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.